Hello everyone, and this is you know what? Granite, and we're going to be making. Hello everyone, and this is Granite, and we're going to be making Swedish pancakes. Okay, wait. Okay, we're recording. Hello everyone, and this is Granite, and we're going to be making Swedish pancakes in my version, of course. I got this recipe style idea from Peppy Kitchen because he's pretty awesome, and he's a pretty good chef. So let's do this. First, we need this is based off a little bit from Pewdiepie's recipe in Sweden, my favorite Swiss guy. And first, we need 1 cup of flour for each person. I got some notes here. In a sec. So here's 1 cup of flour. I have an idea. I have a better idea. To get smooth flour, so to avoid flour bumps, you need a strainer and pour as much as you will. Okay. I'm just gonna press. First, we're gonna add 1 cup of flour for each person, so I'm gonna make 2 for my cameraman, which is my mom. Saying hello, my mom. She's a bit. Hey guys, and I totally did not take a break right now. But right now, let's grate some eggs and start. Just kidding. Let's add some eggs since we're making for 2 people. I said that again. I will say it again. So 1. Longer than it should have. Hi. And Dos. This is Dos. Say hi, Dos. Goodbye, Dos. And then we add a pinch of salt. No wait, 1 teaspoon of salt, not a pinch. You ain't a loser. So a pinch of salt. There we go. This is very hard to read, by the way, so don't judge me. 1 teaspoon? Yeah, 1 teaspoon. So shoot, wait, there's a feature for this one. Frick. I do have the more push-ups. There you go. Okay, now add 1 teaspoon. So it's not salty, like lol. This is for 2 people, by the way, so this is a lot of salt. And 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. 1/4. Frick. Don't worry. I'm not forgetting my recipes. I'm just getting a 1/4 cup of sugar. For the cinnamon challenge, then you are aware. So cup of sugar. By the way, this is 1/8, so it's gonna become 1/4 if I put it twice. And so it has to be 1/4. If you say my math is wrong, then you should go back to school. Now we add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon because you're as sweet as cinnamon, and cinnamon is not sweet, so you are very salty. So you are very bad. Since you're such a bad person, you should subscribe right now. To redeem yourself right now. This is for the go to my YouTube channel, please, to see the whole to support me because I only have 17 subscribers. Okay, then we didn't just took another break for some reason, but right now let's just mommy's fetching. Alright, then we added cinnamon, sugar, flour, 2 eggs. Oh, milk. We need lots of milk. My mom just took a break, so I'll be the one right here handling the camera, and I wasn't being faced by the camera anyway, so let's just make the most out of it today, okay? Okay. You have to deal with my face, so please just bear with me. Alright. Okay. First we make 2 milk for 1 person, so this is 4 cups of milk. And my mom's picking up the camera again, so this is then nothing happened. 1 cup of milk, 2 cup of milk, 3 cup of milk. That's a lot of milk. And 4 cup of milk. We ran out of milk. Just kidding, there's more. That's the most milk I've ever seen in my entire life. And now it's real good, by the way. Like real good. Don't want any flour puffs or any of that stuff. I'll also get the flours on the other sides. And keep mixing. Grab the bowl for more extra comfort. Yeah. And then for more camera angles. Also to see if there's any flour bits on the bottom. So, and then now we move this. And then we get grate a lemon. 1 lemon per grate. So the greater you are, the better you'll do this. Just kidding. Anyone can do this if they have the courage to do so. Make sure it's washed, by the way. And now we make yourself great. Fun fact, I actually made a video before about the cinnamon rolls and I used a grated lemon. It actually tasted good. So I suggest you guys try this as well. And now we should probably scrape those down. Scrape, scrape, scrape. Scrape. By the way, it smells really good here. I love lemony fresh stuff, so this is lemony good. Lemony make this already and great. Lemony good, and now we make grate it a bit more. And that's about it. Wait, one more. Come on. Come on. There we go. Alright, now I'll be holding this using my arm and oh wait, never mind, my mom's here. My mom just paused it, so we're just gonna keep going as if nothing happened. Don't mind that. Shoot, I thought my zipper was open. Never mind, my zipper was not open. So I'm just gonna cut it out. And keep mixing. As we were making this, pan was heating. And now it's hot enough. Let's do this. Get the spatula or ladle and a spatula, and my mom's not following the camera. It's here. Get a ladle and a spatula and put it at the center, like I said, to make sure it will be very symmetrical. Very circle. So you're all part of the circle. Make this chocolate to make it a little bit more interesting, but we didn't have any chocolate, so we're just making what we have. Wanna know why? Because that's what we do. We use what we have. There we go. Yeah, that's enough. We want to turn this into whipped cream. Get a ladle. Ladle, ladle, ladle. Mommy should follow me. Ladle, ladle, ladle. And then pour at the center. Quick. I added margarine instead of butter to add a little bit more interesting stuff. Yeah. There we go. And then add one more. Not thick. Not thick. It's not like American trash and not like thin cream. Perfect like that. Just put the lights on. And now we wait. Also put one eighth of, that's a lot of butter. 1/8 of butter, but like a cut, like a really thin cut, but not that thin, for each pancake to make sure that it doesn't easily dry up and easily get burnt. Alright, now let's keep waiting. Oh, I'm actually making a pancake! I keep making monster pancakes that look like rubbish, but look!
Let's make crepe.
Yes! Yes, but it's not that as thin as crepe, because if you want to make... Never mind what I just said, apparently we're making pancakes now, and Mommy's making the videos, so... Say hi to your new manager, I guess. Okay, now that's... Each side is almost done. Also, don't be afraid to put too much butter. Fat is actually good for you, and that's just the company madness. But make sure to regulate what you eat. Otherwise, too much is everything. So, here's that. Okay. I am actually really happy right now. I'm actually making a pancake that doesn't look like a monster. Like me. Just kidding. I'm handsome. Okay. After you just nearly ruin your pancake, don't mind that hole. Everyone has a hole. Frick. Flip. I'm gonna try flip. Flip. I did not flip it. Mommy suggests a bigger spatula. I'm gonna use this iron wood spatula instead because it's bigger. Well, that's just pancake. Frick. It was so perfect. Don't film it. I'm joking. It's actually cooked. Okay, I did not just complain about how I destroyed the pancake, but first let's get a plate. premium made plate. Premium made. Just kidding. It's made it somewhere, like everyone else. And then now we turn off the fan. Oven. It's really hot. We place it here. Just 2 more times and you'll be able to get it. But right now, I'll cut in a break, so see you in a bit. 3 of those made up pancakes, don't worry, that's part of the batter. After those 3 pancakes are done, you will make the cinnamon sugar filling with 6 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon to make it extra delicious. And then you add that to this pancake right here and spread it very generously, like real generously. And then you roll it up. Just a sec. You roll it up, and that's about it. This is not the ruined pancake from earlier, so please bear in mind. I'm still new to this. Don't judge me, please. And then we move it to the side to add to the 3 other pancakes. Right here. There we go. And then keep repeating this 2 more times, and you'll have pancake a la mode, or cinnamon pancakes. Right now, you'll see it in a bit. Whoop, cutscene. Sorry, quick tip. Forgot to say, but you actually 2 of these for each pancake, so bear that in mind. All right. Sorry for the quick cut from the cutscene, but here it is. That's right. I had to get 2 plates because you have to roll it, and I'm an idiot, so. See in the other cutscene break. Okay, here it is. Now, after you just saw that cutscene of me taking a break and actually saying that you have to make 2 of these cinnamon sugars, spread these babies out, and then roll them like you see, and then we sprinkle it generously, genuine. Shoot. There you go. That's right, darlings. That's right. Oh, this looks so good. Eat them right now if I have no self-respect. Yeah. And then mix put the entire sprinkle bowl, as you can see by me sprinkling the bowl already. Yeah, look at this babies. Little pat. And then now we make the sauce. Quick season break. Whoop! Put too much migraines in it, alright? Migraines. They ruin your life. If you wanted to have a little bit white complexion, then I suggest you add a little bit more flour, and that's about it. Right now, I'm still making the other pancakes for my mom as payment for holding the camera, but for the sauce, okay? 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry, wait, I forgot to say, add lemon juice as well. It will add flavor to the bread, okay? Sorry, gotta go again. Oh, yeah, that's just, yeah. Like this, you have 4 ounces of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 pinch of salt, and 1/2 of lemon juice. And I'm using this grater as a strainer. Isn't that great? I'm really better. Frick. It has to be freshly squeezed, by the way, for real maximum flavor. And also you have to grate some of this lemon to make it more interesting as well. Grate some over the done product as well to add a little bit of flavor. Now add 1 to 2 cups of sugar and 1 grated lemon and 1 tablespoon of milk. All right. Real quick cutscene again. Go. Frick. Go. The cutscene. All right. Now add milk as you go. Time you mix it. All right. Milk as you go. Mix. Go. Okay, like this. Mix. Go. Repeat until. Great. Wait. Shoot. You know what? It'll just be a cutscene, real quick. Great. This is not working. I got it. Gonna mix it some more, and then afterwards, I'm gonna pour it all in ASMR style. So 1 more second. I actually added the fudge, and now it looks better than before. See? It looks like looks nice. Looks pretty good. Proud of myself. By the looks of it, I need practice. Here's some little cheese bits over here and there, and let's taste test. Let's move you over there. Back. I do 1 little cut. By the way, I ate this for dinner. This is hard to do, by the way. I'm filming while also eating, so yeah. And one quick tart. Whoop. Hey, right here. And taste test. Lemony good. I taste more of the lemon and more than the cinnamon. And by the looks of it, I need to make this glazing a little bit thicker. And that's about it. And right now, I have something really cool with me. Milk. Because milk is helpful and it helps you build muscle. So muscle increase, milk. Because Markiplier said so. And fat is actually good for you apparently. Or that's just a joke. I'm gonna do research on that, so don't take my word for it yet. And guess what? What bottle is in? Da, 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 da. That's right. I'm combining both milk and Nutella. Nice. There's no Nutella in this, by the way. It's just ordinary milk. The thing in itself is really sugary, and I think I could have presented it better. But by the looks of it, this is actually really good. This is my first time making these kinds of pancakes, by the way. So I think I could see a lot of improvements. But right now, I'm pretty proud of it, and I hope it gets into the eye. So see you guys later. Like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye now.